2016 Hyundai Sonata SE. Bright silver metallic paint. Pinstripes down the sides. Aluminum alloy wheels with a fresh set of necks and tires. Tinted windows. Rear trunk spoiler. Tinted windows, if I didn't say that. It's a gray cloth interior. Carpeted floor mats throughout. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. Free 90-day trial, Sirius XM satellite radio, HD backup camera, CD player, Apple CarPlay with navigation through your phone, hands-free Bluetooth, steering wheel controls, auto headlights, just under 99,000 miles. Y'all come by and see us at U-Cars.